Hello, friends. Welcome to Class 15. The Pathfinder tool in Adobe Illustrator is a powerful feature used to combine, cut, divide, and shape different objects. Designers use it for logo design, icons, custom shapes, and clean geometric artwork.
Go to Window, Pathfinder to open the panel. Unite combines two or more shapes into one single shape. Example, merging circles to create smooth forms.
Minus front cuts the front shape out of the shape behind it. Example, creating a moon shape. Intersect keeps only the overlapping area of the shapes. Exclude removes the overlapping area and keeps the rest of the shapes separate. Divide breaks the shapes into small individual pieces. Each section becomes its own object. Trim removes overlapping strokes and cleans the shapes. Merge merges shapes with the same color and cuts the rest. Crop keeps only the visible part of the shape on top, removing everything else. Outline converts every shape into path outlines. Minus back cuts the back shape out of the front one, opposite of minus front.